Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel...
Love your beautiful body. Love your beautiful body. Alright, so let's do the honors and open the package. Are you ready? Hope you're ready. I know this video is kind of all over the place, but we're here now. It's so easy to open. I love the box actually. It's so easy to open. Of course I opened it before, so yeah. So obviously my inspiration for today comes from this t-shirt which says I love your beautiful body. And as I mentioned, you know, one thing I love about my body, especially when I, you know, engage it in terms of like dancing or running or any form of activity, the way my body responds is so amazing. And that is that relationship that I have with my body. Remember that everything that you do comes from the mind. Whatever that happens in your body, you have a conversation with yourself, with every part of you. You know, I mean, I remember when I was when I was running a Soweto marathon, my longest run was 42 kilometers, right? And that 42 kilometers wasn't the easiest, okay? It wasn't the easiest, but I remember when I was on 30 something kilometers, I just started, you know, talking to my feet, like, you know what, let's keep going. Talking to every part of my body that I was feeling tired, my shoulders, my hands, my feet, more than anything. They were burning, but I was like, let's keep going. We have to finish. We have to get to the finish line. We have a goal that we have set for ourselves, all right? So I just want to encourage you to really love your beautiful body. And when we say love your beautiful body, I know that you might be out there and you thinking, okay, so we're talking all the healthy stuff like eat well, take care of yourself, drink enough water, eat veggies, eat fruits, nutritious food and all of that. Yes, that is a part of it, but there are experts that can talk about that. It's also part of this conversation, but I don't think I want to talk about that. I'm not here to tell you what to eat, what not to eat, but I'm here to tell you that you have to love your beautiful body. And your beautiful body is not that type of body where you look in the mirror and you're like, I want to be skinny, I want to lose weight and all of that. I'm not asking you to do that. I'm asking you, I'm so quick, like, let me calm down. So all I'm asking you is for you to stand in front of a mirror, or not even in front of a mirror, like have a moment with yourself, touch your body, walk, do something, and you know, build or somehow connect with your body and appreciate your body and love it as it is, right? Love it as it is. So even if you're working towards getting certain body goals and all of that, right? It's very important that you love yourself in the process, right? In the process of you going there. Because the body that you have currently is who you are, is what you have, right? And I'm not saying that your body should define you or you should somehow define yourself in a certain way because of how you look. No, you have to love yourself as you are, right? Whether you've gained a little bit of weight, whether you've got curves, whether you're too skinny, it doesn't matter. Love yourself nevertheless. If you feel like you want to do certain things in your body, fix this and that, lose a bit of weight and all of that, it's fine, do that, but love yourself. Continue loving your beautiful body. It's beautiful. You might have been teased when you were in high school, when you were in primary, or even now. I don't know how old you are, I don't know what's happening in your life currently, but you might have had that phase in your life where you were teased a little bit, people trying to tell you, people telling you that you have a small butt. I was told Because I was told a couple of times that egg in a strap, and that most of the time it's my cousins, family members, and of course some of the friends. Yeah, some of the friends, but yeah, I think, yeah, some of the friends, that was way back, all right? And they would tell me that, hey, it was sharp, meaning you don't have a big ass and all that. Or maybe not necessarily a big ass, but you don't have like, yeah, that kind of ass. But does that mean I have to love myself less? No. I love myself as I am. I can turn around for you. This is me and the mic, of course. I can turn around for you to just show you. This is me, and I love myself as I am. As I am. I love myself as I am, and I strongly believe that I can do so much with my body. I can obviously have a goal to lose weight, have a goal to do whatever, right? Yes, I think, okay, maybe let me just say or talk about where my fitness levels are at the moment. So at this very moment, I'm slowly getting back to my regular programming of working out and all of that. My biggest strength was doing a lot of cardio and running, but I think I paused for a while, and I wasn't like very consistent, but that's what I'm doing right now. And of course, doing the best that I can to have, good food, good, not just good food, the right food. I stopped having like your normal milk, and I swapped it with almond milk. So I'm doing those small changes, and I know that you might be thinking that, oh, how am I going to achieve all of that just like that? You don't have to put pressure on yourself. Do whatever that you can. No competition, no pressure. Do what you can when you can, honey, okay? Love your beautiful body and pay attention to your body, and also have a conversation with your body, all right? I mean, for me, one of the things that I can tell you, why is this video long? One thing that I can tell you is that I got to a level where I was told by my doctor that I've got symptoms of stroke, mainly because I was not taking care of myself enough. I was overworked. My sleeping patterns were bad, and also I was relying so much on caffeine, energy drinks, and all of that. If you know me, if you're a regular, you know how much I love my coffee, and a part of me feels like the way I love coffee so much, it's not something that just came from nowhere. I think because I had a period in my life where I consumed so much of caffeine. I mean, not just coffee, honey, energy drinks and all of that. Thank the Lord that I stopped. Like, right now, having energy drinks is like a, once-off thing, not every now and again, because I know how bad it can be for my health. So, yeah, fast forward, I really had to make that self-introspection and ask myself, what's more important? Is it my health or all the work that I'm doing? And the truth is, guys, like, no matter how much work you do, like, you'll never be done. You'll never be done. You might want to meet deadlines and all of that. Yes, that's important, but please take care of yourself, take care of your health, take care of your well-being, because it's very important than anything else. Alright, okay, RealFam, let's wrap up this video. So, fun fact, you know what? I love my body so much, and I love the fact that I can do just about anything with my body. I'm very active, and if I need to do certain things, certain exercises, workouts, and everything, my body definitely works with me, right? Yes, there would be times where I feel like, oh, this is a little bit hard and all that, but one thing for sure is that my body never fails me. So if you're out there and you're struggling to actually get to the next level in terms of loving your body, in terms of physically doing things with your body and all of that, I think it's high time you have that conversation with your body and allow yourself to just move, to just do things that you never thought you would do. Shock yourself, and you'll see your body responding, and your body will just adjust and you will love and enjoy all of that, right? I know I spoke about all of those things, and you probably wish I could have like showed you certain things, but yeah, like I said, I think this video was mainly about talking about your body, your beautiful body, not really dancing and all of that. So yeah, anyway, I love you so much, real fam. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We are almost at 2K subscribers. Oh my word. Please make sure that you get me to that 2K. Share this with someone, or tag, just send it to your WhatsApp friends, family, brothers, sisters, friends, cousins, all of them, okay? Alright, so I gotta love and leave you. Thank you so much, real fam. I love and appreciate you, and please don't forget to make today count. Let me see.